I'm Dr. Sri. I'm a board certified family medicine sports medicine doctor. In this video, I'm excited to teach you a technique called as a 4-7-8 breathing technique that can help to restore back you to a calm state. So this is something that I learned from Dr. Andrew Weil when I visited University of Arizona. So thanks to Dr. Andrew Weil. So without further ado, let's get started. So let us first go through this technique and then I explain how I use this in my practice. So the 4, 7, 8 numbers, they stands for seconds. So basically 4 seconds of inhalation, 7 seconds of holding one's breath, and then 8 seconds of doing pursed lip exhalation. So what is pursed lip exhalation? So basically you're going to place your tongue in the roof of your mouth like this, and then you're going to purse your lips, and then you're going to exhale. So almost like you're going to blow a whistle. So just like this. Placing my tongue in the roof of the mouth and then doing this. Okay, so that's it. So now let us practice 4-7-8 breathing. So basically 4 seconds of inhalation. I'm going to hold my breath for 7 seconds. And now I'm going to do a pursed lip exhalation for 8 seconds. That's it. Now let us do it together 3 times, okay? So I'm going to close my eyes as I'm going to do this breathing technique, okay? Ready? So do this 2 times a day to ensure mastery. So this is something that I recommend to my patients when they are going to face a panic attack or when they're really stressed. For example, when they're going to give a presentation or something like that and they're not able to stop those negative thoughts from happening. Or sometimes they can have severe pain and they might have negative thoughts associated with that. Or sometimes even during food cravings. So again, this can be used anywhere. So I've used this technique in a lot of my patients who are facing a lot of like generalized anxiety panic attacks, and they were able to come off their benzodiazepines, which is basically an acute anxiolytic medication, pretty easily by using this breathing technique. Okay, so in reality it actually works. So I hope this video is helpful. If you really found this video helpful, can you please make sure to hit the like button so that this video can reach more people. And if you're interested in a different breathing technique called as a box breathing, then I would recommend to check out this video here. If you're interested in learning about breath counting meditation, then check out this video here. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.